welcome. Welcome to Wasaline Aurora Botnia ship cruise. We can show you what we're doing here, what is attractive here, and why you should come here. Mitä?
I'm a little bit worried. Do you have time to fly?
No, we can't.
Yeah, so
If-
you did mistake.
If it is 30 minutes time, then I cannot do it.
Yeah, because they start easy.
Yeah,
So you did big mistake.
yeah. So our original plan was to fly from the deck, but we cannot do that because
You did mistake.
we didn't know that it's gonna be open before 30 minutes.
I quest that actually. That happened.
But we can go back. So where are we going today? I don't know. She's kidnapping me to some another country, and then she's gonna sell me to Dracula or somebody.
Kidnappers.
I have no idea what's gonna happen today.
Do you have your passports?
Ah. No,
You're joking. I can see that.
I have no passport, no valid document to travel. So they are gonna kick me out from here.
Yeah. They kick you on the sea.
I know. But this is Wasaline in Vasa. Are we in Vasa or somewhere? Where are we now?
We are in Vasa.
Okay, so she approves. This is Vasa. I can confirm you. This is not a jail or international criminal court or something.
Just for tourists.
Yeah. I thought there could be 20 people, but now there's
There's
more.
already 20 people. And there is coming a lot with car inside ship.
Yeah. Friday is not a good day to travel. I can tell.
Yeah. This is not the bad thing. Tomorrow probably there is a lot of people.
Yeah. The most important thing that I like in this ship is, actually I didn't find anything what I like most in this ship, but they have a la carte buffet restaurant, pub, and shopping kiosk and everything. And we're still checking all of those. And I'll let you know later what is my favorite in here. Go higher, on top of the planet. Huh? Yeah, I want to go higher. But let me show you the beauty in here. Yeah, we found a way to go up. And now we need to find a way to go up. You happy or happy?
No, I'm tired.
You already tired. We are still inside Finland.
Yes,
There's a long
but-
way to go.
Oh, so late.
Oh no, save your energy for today.
Buy me coffee.
I can buy you pina colada.
Getting my resting.
Okay. Do you want to see the buffet restaurant? How much? Okay. You look so sleepy and tired, even before the trip. Because you drove 100 kilometers, is that the reason?
And we sleep only 3 hours.
Yeah.
Slept. So it is so less to us because we have to be awake full day.
Yeah. So the ship looks newly renovated, and I think it was renovated about 2 or 3 years ago, and it actually looks very new, and we're enjoying our time, and we don't have any complaint about Aurora Botnia. And just look at the ocean, how beautiful it is. Oh my god. This is my second time in an ocean, and I'm enjoying it to the fullest. There's mild wind blowing at the moment, and the sunshine is not so much, but I think the weather and everything is very perfect for today. We continue to show you more. You're filming me?
Now,
Okay. This is your pickup camera? Why did you get this camera? Okay. Do you like this pickup camera?
yeah,
Okay. Do you think this is the best vlogging camera?
probably no.
Probably no. Why? Where are you now? Is it Finland or our secret location for today?
No, it's Sherlock, still Finland.
Okay. This is Aurora Botnia, Wasaline 2023, and we're going to take you to a secret place. And this is cool. I think this is gonna be cool. But before that, we can show you the ride for today. This is Aurora Botnia, right? Is it the correct pronunciation? Aurora? Okay. And we have the sun, we have the wind, we have everything. I guess it's gonna be less windy on the other side, but let's see. And we're on top of the deck right now, and there's nobody. We got our full privacy. And look, how beautiful is this? We're still in Finland, and this is breathtaking. The nature, the weather, and everything today. This is more than perfect. And we got the right day for traveling. Yes. Yeah, let's go back to Finland.
It's too windy.
Yes. Candy poika?
Candy poika.
Me, not here.